This is Nivedita Dhar. On behalf of Mind Matters, I am here to speak about a very important topic, a very simple one, but crucial at the same time. And the topic is about the acceptance in life. Now we know that when the time has been testing us, and it has been testing us in a very harsh way, um, we tend to keep ourselves busy, sometimes through social media, sometimes through so many activities, so-called pandemic activities, and while doing so we compare with each other, isn't it? He or she is doing so much of craft work, but I'm not being able to do it. And it can also be the other way around. I know so much more than the other person. I am posting so much more, and I am doing so many recreational activities, and I can actually brag about it. So I think instead of doing all these things, we should be putting more focus on our achievements, on our accomplishments, and accepting the level that we are in right now. If we emphasize how far we have come from what we used to do and what we used to have few years back, I think that is going to do the magic. So the more you accept yourself, the more aware you are. So that is going to help you a lot. The better our intentions will be, I believe so. And secondly, once we are aware of ourselves, once we are conscious of our accomplishments, of our ability to face things, and improve our resilience, I think the better we are able to take the next step. The plan that we have for next years, we can actually work on that. So I think this are all going to be this is like a flow chart. So once you understand the first motive, how to accept yourself, then second point is you are going to work on the next plans, and automatically you will be aware while doing so. So everything is like a flow chart. So I think instead of comparing yourself with the other person, pat yourself on the back for working so hard and giving so much of efforts in doing what you do. The best that you can do for yourself, which you're already doing, I believe. So don't forget to appreciate yourself, but please don't compare while doing so. I won't say negativity, but then it tends to, poke on the positive mindset that you're trying to build for yourself. So try to keep a positive mindset, try to be humble, and try to share things, try to help each other. And instead of comparing, we can actually work on the acceptance level for ourselves. So I believe these tips are going to help you to maintain sanity, especially during this period when we all need so much of good vibes, so much of good energy. So I hope you all are doing well. I hope you all are safe while going through this video, while listening to me. And please let me know if you're already practicing this method, or you're going to practice this method for yourself. And I'm sure this is going to help you in the long run. So please take care, and bye bye.